As a finance professional, do you always find it difficult to create a bottom line impact? Are you finding it difficult to comprehend the complex Ind AS and IFRS literature? Are you struggling to create a larger impact to the organization? Are you actually facing difficulty at the ground level to get promotions to the next level? Hi, my name is Ramanujam Narayan. I am a global GAAP expert with more than 15 years of work experience. I have transformed the careers of more than 1000 finance professionals in my life in the area of Ind AS, IFRS and US GAAP. As a finance professional, you have to realize one fact very clearly. Tomorrow's finance leader is not expected to just understand the accounting impact, but also to add larger value to the bottom line of the organization. We as a part of Finance First team at ConTeTra have introduced a course called IFRS Pro. What is IFRS Pro? Practical, result-oriented and opportunity creation. The modules that are covered over here are relating to revenue recognition, ESOPs, EPS, income taxes, lease accounting, fair value, management perspective to EPS and segment reporting, because that is something which management looks at very carefully. Now, we don't restrict ourselves only to the accounting, reporting and the management impact. We actually cover the Big Four approved memo formats through which you can demonstrate larger value to the organization and you can demonstrate a bottom line impact to management, to stakeholders as well as auditors. Listen to me very carefully over here. If you want to create a larger impact and create a transformational value to the organization, it's high time that you did the traditional approach and adopt a systematic process. Me and my team, having a cumulative work experience of 40 years in the corporate industry, have developed a 7-step model which will help you to achieve the following. Number 1, create a bottom line impact. Number 2, becoming an IFRS Pro or a professional IFRS expert. Number 3, influencing organizational transformation. To achieve this, we have organized a 2-hour breakthrough webinar. Register on the link in the description below to enroll yourself today.